Friends, good morning. Welcome to our next tutorial on Kotlin. So now in a Kotlin, we are in intents. So now in intents, today we want to cover implicit intent. And implicit intent, the topic is open browser using Kotlin application. So in this now, just I already defined one project, open browser Kotlin. It's a constant layout. Now this constant layout I want to change as linear layout with orientation as vertical. Now I don't want this. Here I am defining this. Here now I want one button. Just I want to drag and drop one button. So this button name I am changing as open browser. Something, whatever the URL, just I want to open the browser. So here also I am changing as browser only. Now I want to apply action on the button. So that is browser. So browser from activity main. So dot set on click listener. So here within this listener, now I want to write the intent. So just as well I'll write this. So that is var intent equal to intent. So intent. Then here as usually I'll write this start activity of intent. So that's now here within this I want to write this. First one is here in this like here I want to open this. So that is intent action view. We want to see here action view. So what is the view of action here? That is intent dot action. So we want to open the website, so it's a view. Then comma. So here as a second parameter we are parsing URL as here. So I want to parse here URI dot parse. So within this we need to define URL. So here I want to define some of the URL. So I want to define here some of the URL. So just I want to define the URL with my website. So just define the URL here. Now I'm running this application. We can able to see this output. It's open in a browser or not. It's a very simple. We can define here. So once it's run, we can able to see this output of this. So still it's running. Once it will run, we can able to see here output of this. So means what happens here when I click on this button in a browser, defaultly it can open on this application directly. Means whatever the website URL is there, that website automatically open on your browser. If you are on a default browser, directly you can open on a default browser. If you don't have this default browser, it can ask to choose browser. See, now this is here, I'm clicking on this. In my mobile there is a default browser, so it's directly launching into this. See, if I open recent tab, see, if I click on this recent apps, see there are two application as well as this. Like this, we can open this web browser using in Kotlin. Thank you. To get more updates, please subscribe.